Good morning, friends. Our word of the week is going to be color. We click on that, and then up on the top row, it will give us all the colors. Color, and then the top row will be a list of all of the colors. Okay, I'm going to read a story and do an activity. Big Bird's Coloring Game. Would you like to play a game with me? I am thinking of something red. It is something that you can wear. Can you guess what I am thinking of? Can we wear a wagon? No, I do not think so. Can we wear a table? No. Can we wear an apple? No, we cannot. What about a truck? No, we cannot. What about a pair of boots? We will have to find out. Did you guess I was thinking of red rubber boots? Now I am thinking of something blue. It is something good to eat. Can you guess what it is? Can we eat a blue car? No. Can we eat a pair of blue jeans? Nope. Can we eat blue flowers? Oh, I don't think so. Could we eat a pair of blue mittens? What about blueberries? Can we eat blueberries? Let's find out. Did you guess what I was thinking of? I was thinking of blueberries. Isn't this game fun? Now I am thinking of something green. It is something to draw with. Can you guess what I am thinking? Can we draw with a green yo-yo? I don't think so. Can we draw with a green frog? Nope. Can we draw with a green plant? No, I don't think so. Can we draw with a crayon? Let's find out. Did you guess what I was thinking? You're right, it was a green crayon. I bet you can't guess what I am thinking of now. It is something orange. I'll give you a little hint. It is something good to drink. Well, can we drink an orange pumpkin? I don't think so. Can we drink an orange shirt? Oh no. Can we drink an orange boat? I don't think so. What about this right here, orange juice? Did you guess orange juice? Oh, you're a very good guesser. Now I am thinking of something purple. It is something you can sit on. Can you guess what it is? Can you sit on purple grapes? No, I don't think so. Can you sit on a purple kite? Nope. Can you sit on a purple hat? No. What about purple paint? No. Can you sit on a purple chair? Did you guess a purple chair? That's right. You will never guess what I'm thinking of now. It is something yellow. Do you want a little hint? You can play with it. Can you play with a yellow table? No. Can you play with a yellow raincoat? Nope. What about a yellow sun? Nope. What about the banana? I don't think so. What about yellow big bird? I think so. And now I'm going to do a little project coloring our ice cream shapes. We are going to color the rectangle blue. And then we're going to color the heart red. We're going to color the circle green. We're going to color the star yellow. We are going to color the square orange. Color the triangle pink. Color the octagon purple. Color the pentagon brown. Here we go. I'm going to do the rectangle first. Blue rectangle. And again, our word of the week is color. Color. And then your colors will come up right on the top here. My next one is color the heart red. Red. Jay better do a better job staying in the lines, hey? All right. Red heart, blue rectangle. What comes next? Oh, the green circle. Green circle. Green circle. Green circle. What comes next? Oh, the yellow star. Yellow star. Yellow star. And then an orange square. Where is the square? Here it is. We are going to color that square orange. Orange square. Now we are going to color the triangle pink. It's kind of a light pink, but here it is. Triangle is pink. We're going to color our octagon next, which will be purple. Purple octagon. Now our pentagon is brown. Brown pentagon. And we have all of our ice cream cone shapes colored. And if you'd like, you can color all of these brown in your cones if you want. Here we are. And our word of the week, color. Here's our button, and it'll show all the colors up here.